Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Tharumi Love, and today I'll be showing you how to achieve this look for the individual crochet faux locks. For this style, I use the Bobby Boss New Locks crochet faux locks in the color 99J. And for this tutorial, all you'll really need is a latch hook crochet needle, and make sure it's the one with the actual latch hook because you will need that. Notice how these crochet faux locks have the little loop in the middle, and that's what you're going to hook onto your hair. First things first, you want to take your crochet hook and insert it at the base of an individual twist. Once that's done, you want to hook your faux lock onto the hook of the crochet needle. Make sure you get the entire lock hooked on there. See, I struggled a little bit over here, but I wanted to make sure that I got all the hair from the loop onto that hook so I could pull it out without any unraveling. Once you've pulled it through, you want to take the base of the faux lock and put that onto the latch hook, and then latch that on, close it up, and pull through. Once you've got your faux lock on, you want to pull it and make sure that it's snug and tight to the base of your twist. And then you're going to unravel the faux lock, and as you unravel it, it has a natural tendency to want to coil back into itself because, hey, that's how it was made. So as you unravel it, you want to wrap it around your twist so that it coils back onto the twist. So you unravel, then wrap around, and you unravel and wrap around, and you keep doing that until you get to the bottom of your own hair. Once that's done, you want to straighten it out. You may need to pull a little bit, but hey, that's all it is. As you can see, my hair is already pre-twisted because it's a basic 2-strand twist, which I started off with a braid at the base. Okay, so I'm going to show you this again just to make sure you got it. We'll take one twist, put the latch hook through at the base, and then hook the loop off the faux lock onto the crochet needle. Once that's there, we want to close the latch so that we can pull it through our twist. Once you have pulled it through, you will keep it looped on the crochet needle, then hook the base of the faux lock and latch hook that, pull it through the loop, and then pull the faux lock nice and snug to the base of the twist. Okay, so here we are again at the unravel and wrap around. So you want to unravel just a little bit and then wrap it around. Unravel a little bit, wrap it around. Unravel and wrap around. Like I said before, keep doing this until you get to the end of your hair. This is usually a quick process for me. It doesn't take that long, only because I've done it so many times. I am taking my time, however, so you can get a clear visual of what it is that I am doing. Now, if you need to go slow and take your time, do you, boo, okay? You're better off taking your time and coming out looking cute than coming out looking crazy. So once I'm done installing my faux locks, I like to braid them up in about 3 or 4 chunky braids and dip them in some hot water. And this, for me, really just changes the way the ends look, and I like that better than just leaving it as they are. But once they're dry, I add my jewels, and there you have it. Your style is complete, and you can go around looking fly. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for somebody out there. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time. Love you guys.